This is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change who can comment on your public posts on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. By default, everyone can comment on your public post, even people who don't follow you. But you can change who can comment on all of your public posts on an individual post on your profile. Choosing who can comment on an individual public post applies to that post only. It does not change your settings for who can comment on your other public posts or your public profile information. So first of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile. Now you can tap on your profile again, like here. You can scroll down and you can choose post that you want to manage the comment. As example, I will choose this post. You can tap on the three dots on the post here. You can see there is an options. Who can comment on your post? You can tap on that. Now you can choose who can comment on your post. The default setting is public. If you want your friends and established followers, you can choose this. So only your friends on Facebook and people who have followed your profile for more than 24 hours who can comment on your post. Or if you only want your friends on Facebook, for people you follow and follow you back who can comment on this post. Or you can choose profiles and page you mention. So only profiles and page you mention will be able to comment on your post. I will choose this. Now you can tap on done. You can refresh. So no one can comment on your profile. I mean on your post. Only profiles and page you mention will be able to comment on this post. So that is how to manage who can comment on your public post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.